Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Philips 27 x 10 to the power of first N5900R, 27-inch, 4K, UHD, 3840x2160, IPS monitor, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Ultra clear 4K UHD. The Philips 27 x 10 to the power of first N5900R offers stunning picture quality with ultra-clear 4K UHD, 3840x2160, resolution for precision and clarity in every detail. Displayed RAW 400, experience lifelike visuals with VESA certified display HDR 400, providing brilliant brightness, contrast, and colors. USB-C connectivity, simplifies connections with a single USB-C cable for data, video transmission, and power delivery up to 65 watt. Smart Image Game Mode, optimized for gamers, it offers multiple settings like FPS, racing, and RTS modes to enhance your gaming experience. Multi-view technology, allows for multiple devices to be displayed simultaneously, enhancing productivity and collaboration. Ergonomic design, tilt, pivot, and height adjustment features for maximum viewing comfort in a clutter-free workspace with built-in cable management. Eye comfort, features low blue mode and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during long usage. The Philips 27 x 10 to the power of first N5900R is designed for professionals and gamers alike, offering a 27-inch ultra-clear 4K UHD display with advanced features. The monitor's VESA certified display HDR 400 brings visuals to life with exceptional brightness and contrast. The Smart Image Game Mode optimizes settings for different types of games, ensuring the best performance. This monitor also prioritizes eye comfort with low blue mode and flicker-free technology, making it ideal for extended use. The multi-view technology enables multiple devices to be displayed simultaneously, enhancing productivity. The USB-C connectivity simplifies your setup with a single cable for data transfer, video transmission, and power delivery up to 65 watt ergonomically designed. The Philips 27 x 10 to the power of first N5900R offers tilt, pivot, and height adjustments to ensure maximum comfort. The built-in cable management system helps maintain a clean and organized workspace. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.